We got some big ice on this tower here. Look at that side mount antenna there, just covered with ice. That's going to start shedding ice today. Wouldn't want to be under it. Very stubborn ice. I did not know there was this much ice up here.
Still looking good, Ray.
I saw a junction box there, it's all busted up.
Busted up?
Yep. It's a junction box for electrical.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The metal one?
Yeah, just like that one right there. It's all busted up.
Looks good, about 25 off the tower.
I have that lake down there, it's frozen.
What do you got to say, Wolfgang, about this operation?
We are heroes. And yeah, we work when no one else wants to work.
Well, don't say that now. We've got other crews that's really busted ass in some bad weather, and they've really went above and beyond. So
That's true.
You can't say that.
Yeah, that's all I gotta say though.
We're bouncing.
What about it, Eric?
Oh, it's all good.
Having fun on the ice?